Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving deep into the microscopic world to explore a structure so vital, it's literally a matter of life or death for cells, the cell membrane. Picture a bustling city. You've got buildings, traffic, people rushing about. The cell is just like that, a bustling hub of activity. And just like any city needs borders, the cell needs a protective barrier. That's our cell membrane. This incredible structure isn't just a passive wall, it's a dynamic, ever-changing gatekeeper. It controls what goes in and out, keeping the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. Think of it as a bouncer at a very exclusive club. Without this crucial barrier, the cell's internal environment would be chaos, leading to, well, cellular disaster. The cell membrane is essential for maintaining the cell's integrity, allowing it to function as an independent unit. It's the first line of defense against invaders and ensures the cell's internal environment remains stable and conducive to life. Pretty impressive for something so tiny, right? Stay tuned as we break down the amazing structure of this cellular guardian. So what makes up this incredible barrier? The answer lies in a special type of molecule called a phospholipid. Now, these aren't your average molecules. They're like the bricks of the cell membrane, providing the structural foundation for this dynamic barrier. Imagine a lollipop with two sticks. The round part, or the head, is what we call hydrophilic, meaning it loves water. It can't get enough of the stuff. On the other hand, those two sticks representing the tails are hydrophobic. You guessed it, they're not fans of water. They'd much rather hang out with their oily buddies. This unique dual nature is the key to the cell membrane structure. In a watery environment, like inside and outside the cell, these phospholipids self-assemble into a double layer, a phospholipid bilayer. The hydrophilic heads face outwards, happily interacting with the watery surroundings, while the hydrophobic tails tuck themselves inwards away from the water, forming a strong and stable barrier. This arrangement, my friends, is what keeps the cell's internal environment separate from the outside world, kind of like a water balloon. Is the foundation of the cell membrane and a testament to the elegant simplicity of nature's design. We've tossed around the terms hydrophilic and hydrophobic, but what do they really mean? Well, it's all about attraction. Hydrophilic molecules, like our phospholipid heads, are attracted to water. They're like tiny magnets drawn to a refrigerator. They mix and mingle with water molecules, forming bonds and creating a happy, watery environment. Hydrophobic molecules, on the other hand, are like oil in water. They just don't mix. They shy away from water molecules, preferring to stick together. This water-fearing nature is what drives those phospholipid tails to tuck themselves away in the bilayer's interior, creating a stable barrier. This interplay between hydrophilic and hydrophobic interactions is crucial for the cell membrane structure and function. It's what allows the membrane to exist in a watery environment while maintaining a distinct separation between the cell's interior and exterior. It's a constant push and pull, a delicate balance that ensures the cell's survival. Now, if the cell membrane were a solid wall, the cell would be in trouble. It wouldn't be able to get the nutrients it needs or get rid of waste. That's where the semi-permeable nature of the membrane comes in. Think of it as a very exclusive club with a very discerning bouncer. The cell membrane is picky about who it lets in and out. Small uncharged molecules like oxygen and carbon dioxide can sneak through the gaps in their phospholipid bilayer. They're like VIPs on the guest list. Larger molecules like glucose or charged ions like sodium need a little help. They rely on special protein channels and carriers embedded within the membrane. This selective permeability is crucial for maintaining the cell's internal environment. It ensures a steady supply of essential nutrients while efficiently removing waste products. Without it, the cell wouldn't be able to function, let alone survive.